Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn off app tracking in the VIVO V15 Pro. So in the first step, open the settings, then go to the apps, applications and permissions, and now go to the permission management. Then go to the sorry, we shall go back. Just go to the app manager. Now just look for the app that you want to turn off app tracking, like a Google Chrome, and go to the permissions. You can see in the allowed we have a location, so just tap on it, click deny anyway, and now with the location in the denied, you are safe and the Google Chrome or any other app cannot track you anymore. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.